The Pop-Up Business School is on a mission to democratise entrepreneurship. We want to make it possible for anyone on the planet to make money doing something they love.
And we're doing this by changing the way entrepreneurship is taught. And we want to make the very best practical startup information available to anyone. I'm doing this video because we are growing as a company and I need a new trainer. So if you are excited about helping people start businesses, learning how to present, getting on stage, really helping people and joining the Pop-Up Business School, then this video is for you.
So the thing that, from my perspective, what this is about is it's not just about presenting the content. It's not just about presenting the content in a way that really engages people and inspires them. It's about helping people get the information that they need, the inspiration that they need to make very quick progress and get their business ideas off the ground.
So we're here at Pop-Up Business School in Taunton, and as a trainer for the Pop-Up Business School you need to set up early, come and meet the people, introduce yourself, and you meet all kinds of interesting entrepreneurs setting up businesses, from websites for reminders about MOTs, to Dungeons and Dragons game nights, to health and safety businesses, to everything you could imagine. And it's your job to help them to build their businesses. And each day you'll be running workshops on really interesting different subjects.
So it's sort of, it's facilitating, it's coaching, and it's presenting all rolled into one.
We can give you all the content, we'll teach you how to do it. All you need is the ability to present, communicate, and then the desire to help other people. And we'd love to have you join the Pop-Up team and to help us inspire the entrepreneurs in the future.
So if changing people's lives interests you, if getting the opportunity to get in front of people, learn some stuff, deliver some stuff, and share some of your own experiences too, because that's a key part of this, then please get in touch.